Today I am going to discuss about like and unlike decimals. Children, you know the fractions having same denominators are called as like fractions. Similarly, what are like decimals? The decimals having same number of decimal places are like decimals. For example, see 0.7, 18.4, 153.9 and 2.8. In all these four decimals you can have you can see they have only one decimal places. Like in 0.7 it has only one decimal place, that is 10th. Here also only one decimal place, 10th. Here also 10th, here also 10th. Similarly, in another example, 12.549 has 3 decimal places. 0.006 also has 3 decimal places. Third decimal also has 3 decimal places. Fourth one also has 3 decimal places. So this group is like decimals. This group is also called like decimals because they have same number of decimal places. It's not necessary that all these places will contain the same digit होना ज़रूरी नहीं है, लेकिन सेम नंबर ऑफ प्लेसेस होने चाहिए. यहाँ एक है, यहाँ भी एक, यहाँ भी एक, यहाँ भी एक, यहाँ तीन है, यहाँ तीन है, तीन है, तीन है. Okay, so they are called like decimals. You can also prove that like decimals are also like fractions. Like if you write 0.7 as a fraction, it will be 7 by 10. This will be 18 whole 4 by 10, 153 whole 9 by 10, 2 whole 8 by 10. So in all these cases the denominators are 10. So like decimals are also like fractions. Then similarly, unlike decimals, the decimals having different number of decimal places are unlike decimals. You can see in the example in 3.5 it has only one decimal place. In 16.83 there are two decimal places. In 7.643 there are 3 decimal places. यानी इसके पास एक decimal place है, that is 10th. Here 10th and 100th. Here 10th, 100th, 1000. ये एक, यहाँ दो, यहाँ तीन. So they do not have same number of decimal places. That's why they are called as unlike decimals. Here also in the second example, 59.8 has one decimal place. The second decimal number has 2 decimal places. The third has 3 decimal places. So they are unlike decimals. Children, one thing you should remember, while considering like decimal and unlike decimals, we only have to see the number of decimal places. You do not have to see the whole number part. You see whole number part has 1 digit, here 2 digit, 3 digit, 1 digit. So हमें ये whole number part नहीं देखना है, ना ही उन्हें सेम करना है. यहाँ 3 है तो बाकी सब में 3 होने चाहिए, ऐसा नहीं है. You only have to see the decimal places. Then how to convert unlike decimals to like decimals? Now for example, if you have given 1.6 and 32.856, you see these two are unlike decimals because here in 1.6 you have only one decimal place, but in 32.856 it has 3 decimal places. तो कैसे इन दोनों को like बनाना है? Children, you remember last class I told you, in a decimal number, we can put as many zeros as we want on the right hand side of the decimal part. The value will not change. So here also we are going to do the same thing. हमें इन दोनों का decimal place same बराबर करना है. It has 3, so maximum 3 places are there. So इसे भी 3 बनाना है. So how to do? बीच में 0 नहीं लिखना है. Value will be changed. So we have to put 2 more zeros on the right hand side in the decimal place part, so that total it will be 3. Now you see 1.6 remains 1.6 only. ये 2 0 डालने से कुछ अलग नहीं हो जाएगा. The value remains same. सिर्फ वो थोड़ा अलग सा दिखने लगता है. Now you can see it, the first decimal has 3 decimal places and the second decimal number also has 3 decimal places. So they become like. Now if another example we take, convert 0.4, 30.82 and 5.427 to like decimals. इन तीनों को like decimal में बदलना है. Now first you have to find what is the maximum number of decimal places. So here in the third decimal number you have 3 decimal places, means बाकी दोनों को भी 3 decimal place में convert करना है. So how to do? Again ये एक है और दो चाहिए place, so 2 more zeros. So now it becomes, it has 3 decimal places. Here already 2 decimal places are there. You put one extra 0, so it becomes 3. Now it is already 3. Now see, all these 3 decimal numbers are converted into like decimals. The next one is ordering of decimal numbers. Ordering means you have to compare which one is greater, which one is smaller. So the steps to follow are, number 1, this is very important. Convert all the decimal numbers to like decimals. यानी जितने डेसिमल दिए होंगे तुम्हें कंपेयर करना है, सबको like decimal बनाओगे. कैसे? सबका प्लेस सेम बनाना है, सेम नंबर ऑफ प्लेसेस. देन आफ्टर कन्वर्टिंग, नेक्स्ट स्टेप इज कंपेयर द होल नंबर पार्ट. इफ फ्रॉम द कंपेयरिंग द होल नंबर पार्ट यू नो विच इज ग्रेटर विच इज स्मॉलर, देन ओके. अगर होल नंबर पार्ट सेम हुए तो तुम डिसाइड नहीं कर पाओगे कौन बड़ा कौन छोटा. देन यू हैव टू गो टू द 10th प्लेस एंड कंपेयर दैट 10th प्लेस डिजिट्स ऑफ द नंबर्स. अगर 10th प्लेस से पता चल गया कौन बड़ा कौन छोटा तो ठीक है, नहीं पता चला देन यू हैव टू गो टू 100th प्लेस. सो दीज आर द स्टेप्स वी आर गोइंग टू फॉलो. लेट अस टेक वन एग्जांपल. फर्स्ट इज two decimal numbers are given. You have to use greater than, less than or equal to sign. So 0.58 and 0.49. What is the first step? Convert all the decimal numbers to like decimal. So let us see whether they are like or not. You see how many decimal places? Whole number नहीं देखना है अभी. 2 decimal place, 2 decimal. They are already like. तो पहला step हो चुका. Then compare the whole number part. Let us compare 0 and 0. तो पता ही नहीं चल रहा, they are same. Then अगर इससे ना पता चले then you will have to move to 10th place. So 10th place में आओ, क्या है? 5 and 4. So which is greater between 5 and 4? Obviously 5. So अब पता चले, हमें अभी 100th place में जानने की ज़रूरत नहीं है, 10th place से ही पता चल गया. So this is greater. So use greater than sign. The next is 63.80, 63.8. So first step, convert all the decimal to like decimal. So 2 places, here 1 place. So make it 2. How do you make it? Put 0. Now compare 63.80, 63.80. They are same. Then 0.10 and 0.9. बच्चे क्या करते हैं, इसको देख के ऐसे, अरे यहाँ तो 10 है, यहाँ 9 है, obviously 10 is greater. No, it is not 10 actually. ये डेसिमल प्लेस में है. अगेन फॉलो द सेम स्टेप, कन्वर्ट इनटू लाइक डेसिमल. चिल्ड्रन दिस इज द मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट पार्ट. सबको लाइक डेसिमल में बदलोगे. सो बदलो. यहाँ 2 places, here but 1 place. So you have to make them 2. So put a 0 on the right hand side. Now you see. Second, compare the whole number part. Whole number part is 0, 0. नहीं पता चल रहा. Then go to 10th place. 10th place is 1. Here 9. So which is greater? 9 is greater. So this 0.90 is greater. So greater here, less than sign. This is less than the second one. Fourth, 174.63, 178.95. So like decimal, they are already in like decimal form. So 63 and 95, 2 places. Then you have to compare the whole number part. 174, 178. So this is greater. So greater than sign. Now similarly, suppose a group of numbers are given to you and you have to arrange them in ascending order or descending order. So पहले देखते हैं हम इसको छोटे से बड़ा में, ascending, smaller to bigger. So the question is 42.02, 42.2, 42.223 and 24.28. Children, when the question is given, you have to write the question in your copy and leave some gaps between them. क्योंकि तुम्हें like में बदलना है तो 0 डालना होगा, तो उसके बीच में थोड़ा gap रखो. So I have written it already 42.02 and all these. Then what is the maximum number of decimal places? 3. तो पहले तो हमें क्या करना है, like decimal में बदलना है. So बदलो. ये 3 है, so यह 3 बनाना है. So 0. Here 2 zeros, ये already 3 है here. So these 3 4 decimal numbers are converted into like decimals. Then next is compare the whole number part. Compare, हमें छोटा से बड़ा करना है, याद करो. So 42, 42, 42, 24. So ये 24 सबसे छोटा है. So पता चल गया. So इसके ऊपर 1 लिख दोगे. So 1 is the first one, सबसे छोटा. Then now 3 are left. 42, 42, 42. Whole number part same. Then you can't decide. Then you have to go to 10th place. 0, 2, 2. So 0, 0 सबसे छोटा इन तीनों में. तो ये 1 के बाद ये पोजीशन आ गया 2. Then 42 point same. Then 2 and 2 same. 10th place से भी डिसाइड नहीं हो पाया. Then you go to 100th place. 100th place is 0 and 2. So छोटा कौन है? 0. So this will be third. This will be fourth. So after knowing all these positions, you have to write the numbers again as the answer. So here you will write, first one is 24.280. Then second number is 42.020. Third is 42.200. And the fourth is 42.223. So if the question will be descending order, you have to proceed in the same process steps, and you have to write from bigger to smaller or larger number to smaller number.